In this video, we will be covering the room cleaning sequence. You will note that the trolley and the vacuum cleaner are ready for the room attendant to use on entry to the room. The room attendant knocks and announces themselves 3 times prior to entering the room.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping coming in.
The room attendant does this so as to ensure that the guest is not disturbed if they are still in the room. On entry to the room attendant will turn on the lights, open the curtains, and open the windows. And this is to ensure that the room is aired and ready for the next guest. They will place their caddy into the bathroom. They will take their vacuum cleaner and place it against the window or the back wall of the room. On entry into the bathroom, the room attendant will pre-spray the toilet, the basin, and the shower. This cleaning material will stay in those areas until such time as the room attendant is ready to return and actually complete the cleaning of the bathroom. You will note that the room attendant is now stripping all of the linen, the dirty linen, from the room, and they will place the appropriate linen into the blue bags. The room attendant will also remove the linen from the bathroom and place that into the blue bag. And this blue bag will be taken out and placed outside of the room. Please note that the room attendant places the linen bag to the side of the entry door. This is to ensure that WH&S regulations are always maintained. In the event of a fire, the room attendant or any other guest in the hallway has easy exit access. The room attendant will then place all of the general rubbish in the large black garbage bag. Separating the recycling into the appropriate bags. And place that outside of the door. They will then replace the garbage bags, ensuring that there is a spare at the bottom of the bin. And tying them to make sure that the bag remains covered in the bin. So you will note on entry back into the room that the room attendant will count out the required number of sheets. For triple sheeting, you do require 3 sheets. You will also place the appropriate towels or any other bathroom linen onto the bed as per your appropriate property. When making the bed, we are really focusing on hospital envelope corners. The bed must be very tight, extremely presentable. And really, you'd want to hop in it yourself. When the room attendant enters the bathroom to clean, they focus on making sure that their personal protective equipment, otherwise known as PPE, is in place. Note that the room attendant automatically enters and places their gloves on their hands. The room attendant focuses on the shower, the tiles and walls, the shower screen and the shower floor. Working from high to low and from in to out. They move on and they focus on the basin, the vanity areas, the tiles, walls, mirrors and doors. Again, from a high-low perspective, in-out. When cleaning the toilet, you're cleaning from inside to outside, making sure that the floor around the toilet is also clean and utilising the appropriate cloths and cleaning chemicals. Once the cleaning of the bathroom is complete, we will replace the bathroom linen, the toilet paper, and start to clean the bathroom floor. When cleaning the bathroom floor, it will be vacuumed first and then cleaned from inside to out to ensure that you don't walk back over the area that you've already cleaned. Finally, the room attendant will vacuum the room from the furthest point away from the door back towards the door. Again, ensuring that we're not retracing our steps over an already cleaned floor. Note, when the room attendant cleans the floors, they're using the nozzle of the vacuum cleaner with the head removed to ensure that they're covering all of the corners and edges of the flooring, also the windowsills or door runners. The final check of the room is completed by the room attendant, ensuring that all light fixtures, power points, or any of the doors and hinges or drawers are working appropriately. The final completion of the room is closing the windows, adjusting the curtains appropriately to the time of day. They will spray air freshener across the rooms, turn off all the lights, and close the door.